Hello there. Welcome to Statistics. I am Cindy. I will be your host, your lecturer, your instructor, your whatever you want to call me. I'm here to make sure you get through this class. All right. It is online, but I'm here every step of the way. Statistics is pretty easy to pass off on people these days because you use it everywhere, right? You want to buy something off Amazon. If you're like me, you read the reviews. You even go down to the bottom where you can look at the statistics of what you want to buy versus other things. Do you play the lottery? Don't. You're not going to win. If you win, just remember your old favorite teacher, All right. But hopefully you enjoy this course. I think it's a great course. It's probably the class that made me like math because algebra, who uses this junk? You will see, formulas, things in here of such, and all that good stuff. So let's kind of just look around really quick. I don't want a really long, boring welcome video, but the first thing you should always go to, right, is the syllabus. And you can even see I have the calendar of everything that you're going to be doing, but you can link straight to the PDF of our syllabus. And then, of course, you can see what we're going to do in this course. There is my actual phone. That's this phone right here. You're free to text me. A lot of times students will text me a picture of something. But the easiest thing to do is you're going to see this is a Pearson Lab course, meaning you're going to do all your work, assignments, I should say. There's discussions. But in the Pearson Lab, what you want to do is purchase. Yes, you have to pay for the code to get into the lab. Go the cheapest route, right? This is... What is this? This is a 16-week course, so you at least need 16 weeks of access. I know you can get in for the first week or so for free. So meaning if you're waiting on finances, there's no reason you can't get started right away. So there's all this good stuff. Some students just like to have the physical book. This comes with an ebook. Most students, that's enough, right? And because this is going to cost you more. If you have like a half-price books or something and you can find a previous edition, that could even work with the textbook. Because I don't say go to page 47 in the textbook. But again, you can look everything up in the ebook. So this is where it calls my stat lab. Also, a lot of times if you've taken courses in the past, it'll ask you for a course ID. If it asks you for the course ID, then you didn't watch this video. And when you email me and you ask me, Miss Cindy, what's the course ID? I'm going to say you didn't watch the welcome video. There is none because you actually go through Canvas. You'll click on the links that'll take you straight into the course. All right, and that's what all this stuff says here. StatCrunch is very cool. I show you how to use it. You're free to use calculators, which is fine, but one day you'll get old like me and you'll just be like, I don't even know how to use this calculator. But, if you need help with the calculator, I can do my best. But I tend to show all my examples. I would say 90% of my examples are in StatCrunch. All right, and then, of course, the course description, everything you're going to learn. This course is broken down with exams, homework, and then discussion questions, okay? I know a lot of times students groan at discussion questions. They're so boring. No, my discussion questions are cool. So all that kind of good stuff. And then here's the breakdown of the assignments. As you can see, discussions, homework, exams, and then the final exam itself. Just a normal A, B, C, D, F. And then you get back to the same calendar. Okay, I put it right here as well, so you can just see it very quickly. Everything is in these modules. So if you just click on the modules and you just kind of scroll down, you will see every single module has like an interview. Why did I say interview? I'm interviewing you for a job. An overview, what you're supposed to do, all that kind of good stuff, key terms. So you certainly want to stay in order, okay? And then it links you to the actual discussion questions. And so like, let's just look at the first discussion question. It says, when might you want to use the median? And you may not know yet what the median is, but it's the middle value, like the median on a road, over the mean, the average. Okay, so a lot of this is you come up with your own stuff. I like you to get I bug you on Thursdays and say, don't forget your initial post is due, because that way it gives everybody time to read through these to be able to respond by Sunday. All right. Okay, so let's just go back and look at this module list. One thing you're going to want to do as you're scrolling through here is you're going to see that in some of the later ones probably have a little bit more. is you're gonna wanna. Can you tell I'm a math major, not an English major? You're going to want to see all these videos and hints. These are me. That's me right there. That's me. And you'll see that the hints that I go through. Now, I know this is the age of the Google it, YouTube it, and all that kind of good stuff. But if you ask me, I can look at your exact problem, right? Because in Pearson, you can click Ask My Instructor. Guess who it goes to? Yours truly. And then I can actually come back and say, oh, this is what you need to do, so you know how to actually work the problem and all that kind of good stuff. I show a lot of how to do this stuff. But if you have any questions of the why, right? You know, I've had teachers that I can work math problems all day, but I don't know why I'm doing it and what I'm doing it and what formula I'm supposed to use. Ask me that stuff. That's what they pay me the big bucks for, right? All right. So I don't want to bore you with too much. This is just kind of the introduction type stuff about your instructor. That's me once again. You know, how to get in touch with me, all that kind of good stuff. But let's have a great course, and I cannot wait to meet you guys online. See you soon.